Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel here. I just forgot to turn on my microphone. That would have been fun to do like an entire video without any sound. Yes, I'm trying to see how it works with regarding to stream/record to X and then upload it also to YouTube so you can see it, both on YouTube but also on the feed in X. For now, it looks like it's really good. Again, always guys here, follow me on SOXX. That's where the more detailed stuff will be, presented it. Dividend stocks here, I'm about to upload the gold and silver overview. Again, the silver miners are pulling back, obviously. Well, not obviously, but they are pulling back after the massive breakouts that they had. So we're just checking in on those. This video, Twitter recap. It has been, I think, last week, like 5 days ago. Anyways, it doesn't matter. And yeah, we should see how, again, these people that I follow, I think they do a great job. They each have their own different way of looking at the technicals. I'm just trying to show you what they do, and I think you should follow them if you find their work interesting here. Here we have Rashad. Silver, gold miners, GDX could double within the coming several months here. Once it completes a retest of the 4-year previous resistance, which should act as support at around 32. Again, keep in mind this is 4 days ago. I think I'll have to check after the video here, but I think we have tagged it, and it could be that we're starting that move right now. Again, the gold to silver ratio is also retesting its breakdown line, so very interesting times ahead here for gold and silver and the miners. Grader here, again, a guy that I've been following for a long time. Long term, he's really good at, the charts, very long term here. Gold is now in a much needed pullback consolidation. Do not get beaten down by the declines or lose interest during them. Understand them, be ready for them. Do not fight yourself, just focus on price. I have been in this game for 30 years. Know if it is your system or yourself. So, again, gold here. Massively inverted head and shoulders. The target is 2,650 for this pattern here. There are some longer term patterns that points to a lot higher, but again, massive breakout here once we finally cleared 2,075. Massive move up here. Digestion. Okay, good. It's good. Here we have the Happy Hawaiian here, silver, working through its flag before the next leg higher. I know for a fact, because this is, again, 4 days ago, that we are sitting right here, right now. So again, still within the 4-hourly bull flag, making higher highs and higher lows. Uptrends still intact. Silver hopefully starts to blast here. Again, that will ignite the miners like no tomorrow. So checking here 1 second if it's all okay. I think it is. I hope it is. Let's see here. So here we have trend spotter with Tesla. Loaded gun here. Also, this is 3 days ago. Huge compression here looking at the Bollinger Band. We have had like 2 years worth of time where we're just making, lower lows and lower highs here, all the way down here. Compression you can basically add in the triangle here. I think actually Tesla has broken out, if I remember correctly from the charts, and again, that should lead to at least a move higher here. But again, I haven't checked the charts. I'm not quite sure, but I think it did, if I remember correctly. Don't quote me on this one here. So again here, very important time for Tesla here if it can finally start to break out of this 2 month worth of sideways action leading into the Bollinger Band compression here. And also note the volume node here, by the way, at the exact moment there. Breaking down just utterly bad, and vice versa. So I have 2 charts to check really, I think here. In gold we trust the killer chart for commodities. This is not, like a technical chart, which is like 99% of the stuff that I show. But just here going back 200 years, showing, when commodities outperforms. And again, we are very early here in my opinion, and commodities, yep, energy, yes, will be, in my opinion, do really good here, at least in this decade here. and maybe also into the next decade. But Dow Gold equals 1. Gold has clearly broken out of a huge cup and handle and is on the verge of an all-time high quarterly and 6-month close. That's in 15 days, by the way. Yet this place remains littered with commentaries focused on bearish wriggled between impulse highs. So this is a 3-month candle, beautiful breakout. There it is, the breakout. Boom, boom, higher we go. I see nothing wrong with gold. I really don't. I really don't see anything right now, at least for gold, that leads to think otherwise. Rashad here again. FOMC is behind, meaning this is from yesterday. The next milestone is the expiration date of July 2024 silver futures and contracts. And he basically thinks that silver will remain soft until month end, and then July, August should be really bullish. Again, this is the 4-hourly. I call it the 4-hourly bull flag, but anyways, the bull flag here. And we are, we have 3 impulses here, and I kind of agree we could have some wiggling here, and then we blast, higher. For silver, it looks really good after the initial breakout. This is myself. So this is URA divided by the uranium spot price. I have shown it many times before. And I say here, believe it or not, but actually uranium miners is breaking out here, not about, breaking out versus the uranium spot price. It's a decade-long Vikov accumulation pattern in this ratio. Again, I'm no expert, but I've shown it before. I think this is just Vikov accumulation when you measure the miners in relation to the spot price. Again, we shall see here, but we are very close to breaking. We have broken out of the falling wedge here into that third, tiny low there. Again, we are very close to breaking out, retesting here. We have broken out, retested, and now we just need the last push, in my opinion. But again, I think the uranium miners is on a knife's edge right here. Very nail-biting stuff. Grady here, still doubting that silver can reach almost unimaginable levels. Then pondered that silver all-time high is not 50, it is 800. Silver has been in a decline for 500 years. When it bottomed around the millennium, could 800 or higher happen briefly again when silver goes ballistic at the end of the commodity bull? Maybe, maybe not. But no matter your beliefs, the chart here is really, just coming down, and then we have this major puke right here, into the 2000s, and then we are, going higher a tiny bit here. Can you imagine we were at $4, like 20 years ago? Again, 800 maybe, but if you measure, on a standard way, it actually, that big cup and handle on a log scale points to, I think, 600 and something, so could be. Again, that's not tomorrow. That's by no way means tomorrow. Hedgehog trader here, Endeavor Silver. Many bullish falling wedges here. Hated silver sector, yes. Also note I have a turn window within a few days, June 15th, that's tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. You can see here we had this tiny wedgie here. Maybe you can add the lows to there, I don't know. But anyways, we did actually break out here today. Ish, like a 2% move here. So hopefully we get some follow through tomorrow on Endeavor. My good man Burak here again. Half long closed of yesterday's top here, that top there again. I'm a huge fan of Burak again. The cleanness of the charts, I really like it. I assume the entry were down here again. Massive move up here. I think he was a bit surprised by the speed. At least I would have been. But anyways, fantastic trade. Follow Burak. That's all I can say. If you want to really learn a lot about, lines, parallel lines specifically. Irene here, TLT looks as it is bottoming here. I kind of agree. You have the price here above all the major moving averages here should lead to like a move higher here. This is from yesterday, and I know that rates also dropped today, so potentially we have come close to the 94. Could be. But again, if the TLT goes higher, that means that the rates are going down. So Jay Hinster here. Again, very important day, Denison Mines here. I think it's bouncing today also. But again, 1 year uptrend still intact. This drop is a bit more steep than the previous ones, but still okay. J Hinster here with UUU. You can see this, it's a longer term pattern here, like a parallel channel here. We are at the lows, massive run here coming down. You can also note that there's a trend line up here. So basically one big pattern here for UUU, and potentially we can see that move into $12. That's a double, potentially. Last but not least, my good man Hedgehog here again. Golden Triangle Ventures, GTVH, up nearly 100%, 300% in June alone. Again, price just coming down, compression all the way. Maybe you could have a bit more angle on it, but hey, it's. I think the picture stands for itself. And then just volume kicking in, boom, and then you have, you know, in like 2 weeks, 300%. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope the audio was good. I hope everything is fine here. I will upload this to YouTube straight after here. Have a great day, guys. It's been a pleasure. Bye.